Hello everyone, this is Jan's Mix. Apart from wasting my time playing video games, I also waste my time creating funny stuff in Unity. I've got only some very basics. I created some simple 2D platformers, mostly bullshits like you can see. However, I was working on some enemy following player, and I already got the basic one which only follows the player. I already wrote the basic code doing that, which reads the player's X and Y locations. If the player's X locations is lower than the enemy ones, meaning that the player is left from the enemy, then the enemy will go in left. Same for the right side. The same principle is applied on the vertical axis. So, what I've got seems to work well, but it's kinda stiff and not natural, and I would like to have something smoother. When I was thinking about the outcome I'm looking for, I immediately remembered the Phantom from Super Mario Bros. 2, which is probably the most creepy enemy from the earlier Super Mario games. This cute guy gives you chase whenever you grab the key. However, he doesn't chase you with a constant speed and in a robotic way like the thing I created, but it chases you dynamically, meaning you have to, for example, jump to avoid his waves. So I created only a bit more complicated script, which instead of simply moving towards the player, gradually changes the direction towards him. I added two floats for both X and Y axes, which are acceleration and maximum speed, which are mostly the two statistics which you care about when you're playing a racing game. Both the functions are public and therefore editable in the Unity interface, so we can regulate them more easily and, for example, create some different variations of the enemy. So, it took a little while calibrating the right values, but the result looks pretty good. This really feels like a bludger from Harry Potter. Now, let's actually try to import the actual Phantom inside. Oh, yes, I'm having the actual Phantom vibes. Okay, anyway, it was pretty fine. It indeed follows me and it is tricky to dodge. And it's really giving me the magnet feelings. And it is making me understand why planet Earth can rotate around the sun. I can use pretty much any picture I would like for it, so let's say...
Keep my wife's name out your fucking mouth! Keep my wife's name out your fucking mouth!
Pretty much the same principle can be applied on the ground enemies as well. Gosh, this is so fun. I've got a feeling Mario used it on another enemy also. But when we return to the Phantom from Super Mario Bros. 2, we see that the algorithm he's using is still a bit more complicated. Instead of simply following my location, it seems that it follows only my y-axis, while on the x-axis it seems to be floating from the left to the right side of the screen. And in some vertical areas, he flies to the edge of the screen in order to appear on another one. I'm already pretty happy with the algorithm I have. I also decided not to care about whether the player has the key or not. This can be easily added with an if condition. But I decided I could try the correct algorithm for following. So it took me a little time of trying and failing, but in the end I came up with this code, which handles the X and Y values differently. There is a bool basically saying if the enemy goes left or right, and accelerates accordingly, and adds the value to the relative location, which combined with the screen position is the desired location of the X value. The Y value handling is the same as before. And then it finally transforms the enemy into the desired position. And yeah, that's it. That's the Phantom from Super Mario Bros. 2. Of course, it is up to everyone which kind of following algorithm they prefer. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I uploaded all the free codes into GitHub if you were interested. Link is in the description. If you have any comments, feedback, or you came up with another way how to do this algorithm, don't hesitate to comment in this video. I am still a newbie in Unity coding. Enjoy and have a nice day!